Hey, this is Connor at Jason Dietsch Trailer Sales. Today I'm going to show you a 26-foot United stacker. So if we start at the front of the trailer here, hydraulic jack, extended RV tongue. This is an 050 skin on the trailer, black, mill trim, a 48-inch side door, midship turn signal light, a couple scene lights on the outside, and this is a 777K trailer, so 21,000 GVWR. We got a docking light at the rear, a 4-foot extended ramp flap with 3-inch bumpers and a beaver tail. Great for low profile cars. And this is a recessed lift from Stinger. We got obviously the side escape door on the side, a removable wheel well, finished interior, aluminum skin on the walls and the ceiling, 50 amp electrical package in the trailer. And then we have our cabinets set over here on the roadside wall. That's perfect if you want to put a golf cart or a pit cart up front. It doesn't, hinder from your floor space. And then obviously your storage deck up top. That's an 8-foot storage platform. So yeah, I really appreciate you guys watching. Give us a call, check out our website. We'd love to sell you your next trailer.